Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix iPhone keeps restarting and how we can fix it. So let's get started. There are many reasons why your iPhone keeps restarting. One of the first steps you need to try when it comes to this is a forced restart. So to do so, what you need to do is we have to press the volume up followed by the volume down. Then you have to press and hold the power button over here unless and until you see the Apple logo. Keep in mind that you have to do this all in instant off time. You should not be taking much time. You have to do it very fast. So let me show you that. You have to press the volume up followed by volume down and press and hold the power button over here like this. You have to keep press the power button unless and until you see the Apple logo. Now you have to keep press. When you see the Apple logo, you can remove the finger from the power button over there. Just remove it, and that is how we can do it. Now just wait for the device to get completely load up. Now what you need to do is we have to just go over here, use your passcode, and once you get into the passcode, now we have to check with it, and that is what we have to do. Most probably the forced restart will help, but still if you're having the trouble, one of the culprit why this is happening is all about we have to go over here in the settings. Now from here you have to go to the battery, and over here you have to check your battery health. That is very important thing over here. So if you're going through an issue with the battery health and all those things, that is the reason why this keeps happening in most of the cases. As you can see in my case, I'm having 76% for the battery health. It is asking for to do a service as well or to replace the battery. For many users, when the battery is completely drained up or battery is having an issue, it keeps restarting. That is the reason. If that is the case, just do this over here. You have to book an appointment and talk to the Apple executive, and they will help you guys out. After you cross-checking the battery, but still if you're having a good battery and there is an issue, then what you need to do is we have to scroll it down to the general. From here you have to scroll it down to the bottom. Now from here tap on the transfer or reset iPhone. Now go to the reset, and there is an option called reset all settings. Most of you guys think that resetting all settings will wipe your data, but not. It won't delete any of your photos, any personal data. What it's going to do is if you're having any kind of widgets, lock screen and all kind of customization, everything will be gone, and rest every kind of things like data and all those things will be there, so you don't have to worry on that. Your reset settings, while doing this, it will be taken to the default settings. That is what it's going to happen. It won't delete any of your data. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. That's it. Bye.